welcome to another episode of My Funny Dog and Me, part 2, and today, episode 2 and stuff. So this is my funny dog, and I'll just show you the bottom of my mom. I won't show you the top. See? The top. Not the bottom. Just her legs, okay? I'm not a creep. It's just too pussy. Just say hi from the bottom. Okay, good. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, is there someone out there? Okay, so the outside is foggy or something. I think it's about to rain, but I also have some mini pancakes that I'm gonna eat. And this is my funny dog again. Okay. He loves barking so badly. Okay, wait. Let me just go get something. I'm just gonna get. Hey! Just because I'm holding this doesn't mean. Okay. Here. My dog loves pancakes as well. So we both love pancakes. Okay, you just jumped on it. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry for my mouth full, but some people did not ask me for a house tour, which I'm glad because I won't. And then I also have books here. Comment if you have this book. Okay, my dog's choking me. I'll be right. Hey, no. So I have these books. I have a lot of books, but I already read them all. You got Proud? Just kidding. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sounds like someone's dying over there. Okay, no. There isn't. Why won't you listen to me? Why would you listen to me? I'm serious. Why? Okay, there's really no hope. Unless you do want to listen to me. Which you won't. Okay, I'm going to have to end the episode here. I know it's only 2 minutes, but I promise I'll make a third episode anytime now. And okay, I'm just going to end the intro with my dog barking. So here's the clip. Okay, no. And I hope you guys enjoy. And oh jeez, what the heck? Bye.